Let's get back at it. Okay, so we've got a few more things to do. I need to go over everything again. I think there's a few spots that I'm probably gonna need a little bit of touch up with some body filler and then a little more sanding. There's a chance I'm gonna have to spray some primer on a few parts. I'm gonna try to keep that to a minimum, but yeah, it's just a matter of kind of fine tuning everything and getting ready for paint. So let's get started. Woo! So I think we've got it all masked up. We're going to do a quick wipe down with isopropyl alcohol. We're going to wet down the driveway. And I'm going to mix up the paint. We're going to spray the body. I don't think we're going to get the panels done today because we're running out of time, but this takes the most masking, and the rest I can do kind of individually if I have to. So let's get started. Go over what I'm using for paint here. This is the actual paint. It's just the stock Jeep color. Can't remember exactly what the code is, but I'll put it in the notes on the video. And it is just a stage 1 paint. That's what I've used in the past, and it's easy to touch up and things like that. So it is, it's white. It's the original color that the Jeep was in. And basically, you mix it 4 to 2 to 1 with reducer and hardener. So, actually what I should do is just shake that up a bit before so I'm just gonna shake this up. Make sure it's nice and mixed. And I'll open this up here. Okay. And this is just a cheap spray gun that I got. I think it was like $50 or something. It's nothing fancy. I've put the original tip back in, so it's the smaller tip. I'm not exactly sure what size it is, but it is a finer tip than what I used for the primer. Primer I think was a 4.3. Or no, 2.3 I think. Anyways, it's in the primer video. I put it in the video there. So now what you do is you mix it in one of these cups here, and it has the different ratios along the top here, and you just follow it. So if you go 5 here, then you go 5 to the 1. This one doesn't actually have 4 to 2 to 1, so I use 4 to 1 to 1 and go up to, so right now I'm going to mix about to 5, and then I'll go 5, 6 for the reducer, and then I'll go to 6 again for the hardener. So let's get mixing. Okay, so we got some color on the body. We did the insides of the doors and the inside of the windshield frame. We got a few runs, more runs than I was hoping. But, hey, we can make a video about how to fix runs. Anyways, we got to clean up. That's going to do it for this episode. I don't know how long this episode is. There's a lot of time lapse. I've been going all day, but we'll see. Anyways, as always, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. We'll see you next time on Analog Generation.